So how does Google Map know the fastest route to wherever you're going? Well, the key is behind this image right here. So this is called a graph. And what a graph is basically a bunch of nodes, and these are considered the nodes, and these are the edges, and they're all connected to each other. This can be used as a tool to solve a lot of different common problems. Now, one example that I've already given is the Google Maps situation. Now, if you're a developer and you are trying to figure out how to give the customer the best possible route from S right here to 4, how are you going to do that? And well, because you are familiar with the mathematical concepts of graphs and the different algorithms that you can use with it, then you will use an algorithm called BFS. Now, we're not going to go into the detail of how BFS is exactly coded, but we'll just go through the surface layer. Now, BFS is a tool that allows us to get the shortest path from node A to B. So what that means is that, say you want to go from S to 4. Now, BFS will tell you that, okay, well, first you need to go to 3, then you can go to 4. It'll also tell you that you can also do 1 and then 4. BFS algorithm will tell you that. Now, you can easily see how this can translate to a map. Say that the edges could be roads, and the nodes could be locations, right? And so if you say that you are at this location in the map and you want to go to, let's say, Target, right here, then your Google Maps application will immediately find that you first need to traverse here, then here, or here, then here. And Google Maps actually has become sophisticated enough to actually even calculate how long each path is depending on the current traffic. So that's the use of BFS. Now, BFS can't just be used for maps. It can actually be used for many other things that doesn't have to do with maps. So one of them is, say you're trying to program a cash register that would give you the best, most optimal number of, say it'll give you the most optimal number of change, right? So what that means is that, let's say you have a ton of 1 cents available to you and a ton of 5 cents available to you, and you need to give the customer 8 cents. Well, this BFS algorithm will give you the best way to give that 8 cents would be 5 cents plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 cents. And it won't waste your time giving you 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 all the way up to 8 cents. It'll tell you that, hey, the best way to give that change is with 3 1s and 1 5. So that's a bit about BFS and the relevancy on the common problems that it solves today. So hopefully you enjoy that. Thanks.